Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to cast Android mobile phone screen to laptop PC. So first of all, in your laptop or in your computer, you just need to turn on the wireless display settings. And after turning it on, you just need to give all the permission it required. And after that, now in your mobile, you just need to turn on the cast, just like going here, and here you can see this option. Just turn it on like here, click on turn on. Your Wi-Fi should be connected to both your phone and your laptop. Now in your phone you should just turn on your location, and after that you will find the device here. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.